Let's have a quick look at the top 20 Flutter and Dart packages for user interface and design, released over the past 6 months. Now let's get started. Number 20 is called Circular Animated Carousel, a circular gesture-driven carousel with garland tilt, a side lift arc and a focus halo. It is made for coupon, ticket and card showcases. Number 19 is called Mega UI Kit, a Flutter UI kit with themable semantic colors, design tokens and matching widgets. Your app provides the brand colors. Number 18 is called Flutter Adaptive Text, which automatically picks a legible text color based on the background color. It supports WCAG 2.1, AA, AAA as well as APCA and ships a drop-in adaptive text widget. Number 17 is called Advanced Shimmer, a customizable Shimmer loading package with multiple animation styles and ready-made Shimmer widgets. Number 16 is called Material 3 Expressive Loading Indicator, which brings the Expressive Material Design 3 indicators to Flutter. A morphing circular indicator, an outlined variant, and wavy linear progress. Number 15 is called Carbide, an unofficial Flutter port of the IBM Carbon design system. It is built strictly on Flutter's base widgets with no material and no Cupertino. Number 14 is called Flutter Card Plus, a highly customizable 3D flip card widget with smooth animations, drag-to-flip gestures, hover effects, and zero allocation performance. Number 13 is called Liquid Bottom Nav Bar, an iOS-inspired liquid-style bottom navigation bar with drag support, an optional glass blur, and flexible styling. Number 12 is called Dot Matrix Loader, a zero-dependency package for dot matrix loading animations. It renders animated dot grids with 61 built-in presets, a custom builder API, and a sequence API. Number 11 is called Responsive Window, a lightweight app-level responsive window utility with width breakpoints inspired by Material Design 3. Number 10 is called Flutter Mermaid, a pure Dart library for rendering mermaid diagrams without a web view and without external dependencies. It supports flowcharts, sequence diagrams, pie charts, Gantt charts, timelines, Kanban boards, radar charts, and XY charts. Number 9 is called Auto Shimmer Animate, which automatically converts existing widget trees into animated Shimmer skeleton loading states. Number 8 is called Pixel UI, a pixel art design system for Flutter with retro 8-bit primitives, tile grids, interactive buttons, and a bundled pixel font for game interfaces. Number 7 is called Drafter, a dependency-free charting library with around 27 chart types, smooth Catmull-Rom curves, soft gradient fills, and a left-to-right reveal. Number 6 is called Rolling Text, a per-character vertical rolling text animation with spring physics, stagger, direction-aware number rolling, chromatic tints, and built-in loader loops. Number 5 is called Book Page Flip, a smooth open book page turn widget. Drag or animate pages with a realistic 3D page curl, a soft shadow, and a natural feeling turn. Number 4 is called Foss UI, a fresh and minimal Flutter UI kit themed from one source and inspired by the cal.com design system. Number 3 is called Curved Navigation Bar Pro, a curved bottom navigation bar with an animated curved notch, an elastic bubble animation, batch support, and fully customizable theming. Number 2 is called Real Text, a tactile text roll animation for tiny labels, counters, status text, and command buttons. And last but not least, the number 1 is Flutter Spritesheet Animation, a lightweight Spritesheet animation widget with grid-based and JSON Atlas support for texture packer and Sprite, named animations, playback modes, and an external controller. If you enjoyed this overview, leave a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And if you record or present in front of a camera yourself, My teleprompter app Speechius is waiting for you at speechius.com. Also make sure to support the developers of those awesome packages by hitting the like button on the documentation page. Those were the top 20. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great week and see you soon.